Kia has revealed details of the final intensive testing program undertaken by the Kia EV9 ahead of its world debut in 2023. During this final testing phase, the EV9 is relentlessly subjected to a grueling verification program on a four-wheel drive climbing hill and a rough terrain track, as well as a deep water wading test, to ensure maximum reliability even in the most challenging conditions. Kia's high-speed, handling, and low-friction tracks place every element of the EV9's performance and road holding under the strictest scrutiny. At the same time, the unforgiving cobbles of the Belgian road enable Kia's engineers to subject the EV9's ride comfort, build quality to the harshest possible trials. Taking a bow in the first quarter of 2023, the Kia EV9 will follow in the footsteps of the brand's groundbreaking all-electric EV6. Kia first gave the world a preview of its newest flagship model in the form of the Kia concept EV9, unveiled at Automobility LA in Los Angeles last year.